The sleek silver private jet sliced through the turbulent air, buffeted by a fierce crosswind. London's skyline, a jagged silhouette of iconic landmarks, loomed closer. Inside the cockpit, Captain Stevens, a veteran pilot with nerves of steel, maintained a steady hand on the controls. His eyes darted between the instruments and the windsock below, its frantic dance painting a vivid picture of the challenging conditions. The passengers, their faces a mixture of excitement and apprehension, felt the jet sway and shudder. The final approach to London City Airport, notorious for its unique challenges, was about to begin. A crosswind landing, in the simplest terms, is like trying to land a plane sideways. Imagine throwing a dart at a target while walking briskly to the side. That's the kind of precision required. The wind pushing against the side of the aircraft threatens to push it off course. It's a delicate dance between pilot skill and aerodynamic forces. Captain Stevens, however, had encountered his fair share of crosswinds. He knew that to land safely, he would need to employ a technique called crabbing, flying the plane at an angle into the wind to maintain a straight path towards the runway. Years of experience had honed Captain Stevens' instincts into a fine-tuned instrument. As the jet descended further, he adjusted the rudder and ailerons, compensating for the wind's relentless push. The plane dipped and swayed, a testament to the unseen forces at play. Landing at London City Airport added another layer of complexity. Nestled in the heart of the city, its runway was significantly shorter than most, demanding pinpoint accuracy. The steep descent, a unique characteristic of the airport, further amplified the challenge. London City Airport's runway, a mere 4,969 feet long, is significantly shorter than Heathrow's sprawling 12,799-foot behemoth. This, combined with the surrounding obstacles and the airport's location in a densely populated area, makes it one of the most demanding approaches in the world. The jet, its wings tilted at a dramatic angle, descended towards the runway. Captain Stevens, with the precision of a surgeon, aligned the aircraft with the center line, gradually correcting the crab as they neared the ground. The wheels kissed the tarmac with a satisfying thud. A collective sigh of relief swept through the cabin as the jet came to a smooth stop. Captain Stevens had done it again, taming the crosswinds and guiding his passengers to safety. It was just another day at the office for this skilled aviator, a testament to the human ability to conquer even the most turbulent of